Hi guys, welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty's kitchen. Oh, neat gloves. Unprepared. Now you guys have seen me make this soap before, but not quite in the colors that I am making this in. Oh my goodness, I just made a soap and I am like burning up and my hands are all sweaty. Getting my gloves on is not fun. I'm going to turn my little fan on. That's pretty sad. We just got 9 inches of snow and I have my fan on because I'm burning up. Okay, so this soap is inspired by Jason Derulo's song Marry Me. The fragrance we use is Wedding Day. Now you did see me make this last year and the colors that I used, everybody loved them. I ended up making 3 batches of the soap because it sold pretty well at the farmer's market. So my daughter came up with this idea, well, Mom, why don't we make them seasonally? So we'll make the regular one that everybody loves, but we'll also make one for spring, one for summer, one for fall, and one for winter. So that's what we're going to do. This is the spring one. So this is the oils are dark because this is my Isis recipe. And in my Isis recipe, it has bentonite clay in it. And in my lye water, it is a 50-50 mixture, which my salt and sugar didn't get all the way dissolved. It is a 50-50 mixture. I can't speak English, I'm so hot. Of distilled water, aloe vera juice, salt, sugar, and I also added my titanium dioxide to this. Okay, let's add this in here now that I got most of it off of the sides. And this part's going to be really simple. It's the decorating that's the fun part, which I'll decorate a few with you. It's going to be new and exciting colors than it was the first time. Alright, let's get this to almost emulsification and we'll add our yogurt. Okay, and I know that has a little bit of a gray tinge to it, but it won't stay that way. As it saponifies, it'll lighten up. Now our yogurt is going in. We are almost to getting to the yogurt that I made in the video that I posted on Christmas. I'm excited. Alright, let me scrape Simon off and then scrape the edge. Woo! Simon, be a good boy. You know what? Let me move him. Simon's not cooperating today. He almost just fell off my counter. I would have cried. That would have not been good, y'all. Guess what? I gotta tell you something fantastic. Today is the 18th of February. My son, who is one of my business partners and in the Marine Corps, called me, and they will be here in Michigan on Friday. Sad part, though, is he and his wife are going to be in Okinawa for 3 years. So, okay, here goes our fragrance. The fragrance is really lovely to work with, and it smells fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. It does speed up trace a little bit because, well, it is a floral. But other than that, it does really well. Whoop! Guess I can put this lid over here. And in case you didn't watch the original Marry Me video, this is our mold. Let me get you guys in the picture here. It is a 3-tiered cake. So, and what I do is I pour the bases, and I'm pretty sure I made enough this time that I'm not going to have to scoop any out of the other ones in order to fill these all the way to the top. I was running a little short last time. I only made 25 ounces the first the first time I made it. Now I make 27 ounces. So we're speeding up there. Can you see that? And I do need samples of this. So, woo! I will have a few samples. Wow. I just made a big mess out of that one. What is wrong with you today, Sue Lynn? I do plane these, by the way, because a lot of times they're not completely flat on the bottom, as you can see, to make sure that the mold is sitting correctly so they're not wonky either. Okay, so I am going to let this sit for 18 to 24 hours, and then we will be back to decorate this in some beautiful spring colors. So I will see you then. Bye-bye. Hi guys, we are back to decorate our Marry Me. Now I have 5 different colors that I chose because this is our spring one. We have Purple Playhouse, and I'm going to make some green leaves in there with some lily pad green. We have some Celestial Blue, have some Watermelon Pink. Now not all of these are like completely set up. I may have to bring you guys back. And this is actually not orange. This is our Yellow Canary. It turns orange in the soap batter, but it definitely turns back to its beautiful yellow once it's gone through saponification. So yeah, I might have to wait just a little bit more. I would like for these not to, yeah, I'm gonna have to wait, but I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do here. And I'm bringing you in as close as possible because when we made this the last time, you guys were pretty far away. So I have a toothpick, and on this soap, because I want the new soap to stick to the old soap, I am going to make some marks in this soap where I'm putting the new soap, just so it sticks. And then I'll wipe it off, you know, the extra stuff. And we will be ready to go here in just a minute. Hopefully I get these done before my son and his wife and the baby get here. So I'm not sure if I should bring you guys down to the level where, like, you know, when I cut my soap, if that's going to be a better view. We'll see how it works. But yeah, and I've decided that after I pipe on everything, I'm going to take some of my French white shimmer mica, and I'm going to put some alcohol in it, and I'm going to paint the rest of the cake with that. So tomorrow when I show you these after the flowers and whatnot are all set up, you'll be able to see that. So we will be back in a minute. Yeah, it's not quite set up yet. We'll be back. Okay, looks like we're set up enough finally. I'm gonna spray this with some alcohol, and I am gonna start with my purple. So I'm gonna try to do this where you guys can see. Okay, let's go to our blue. Can you guys see with me piping in this direction? I hope so. And sometimes these piping tips leave like a, you know, like a little point on the flower, and I don't like that. So I'll take a toothpick and fix it. So let's do our pink. The pink has the biggest tip on it, so I got to be careful with it so I don't get too much pink in there. And our yellow, which again looks orange, but it is not. I think I want to put some yellow up here on the top too. Is that working better? Where y'all can see it better? And right there. Okay, and I'm always gonna do my leaves last just because of, you know, that's the, there we go. And I want a leaf. There's a spot down here at the bottom that I'm gonna try to get a leaf in. There we go. There we go. Let me see. I want, oh, there's a spot right there too. What color do I want to use? I guess I could put a leaf there too. I don't have much green piping in here, so there we go. And I think I want some blue right here. I should have waited to put that leaf on there. Let me fix that leaf. Sorry. I'm sort of a perfectionist when it comes to these little wedding cakes. I think they're so adorable. And they really do well for us, which is nice. Oh, that little leaf is split at the... This isn't my Wilton 352, so, okay. Let's see. What do you guys think? I like for it to cascade down and around. I like that. So, and like I said, I'm going to paint the rest of it with the white shimmer. Let me get this off of here. Hold on. Woo! And I did plane all of these soaps like I said that I would. So, let me get some of this off of there, and then we will what do you say, we start with the, let's start with the yellow this time, and I'll just do 3 of these with you guys. That way you're not, you know, having to watch all 6. Okay, I'm gonna go to my blue. Oh, there's a little air hole in there. Hope my head's not getting in y'all's way. I'm gonna stick some pink underneath this blue right there. Well, my pink isn't set up as much as the rest of my batter, which is kind of sad. Hold on, I gotta, there we go. It was clogged, that was the problem. All right, we need our purple. So purple here. I'll put some purple there, some right there, and right there. I need another color right there. Let's see, what do you think? See, I've got a hole right there. And it's too much for the, here, let me put a little bit of blue there. Just right up underneath this pink, and then there'll be enough room for the leaves. Okay, so we're gonna do a leaf here, right on top. Boop. This needs to be set up more. I really wish this was set up more. There we go. I think that's good. Oh, maybe one right here. What do you think? Hope the colors are vibrant enough for you guys. I know that orange looks really strange there because it's, well, orange. But I promise you it's yellow. Okay, now let's do our last one together. Get our little toothpick. And I probably don't need to do, you know, the toothpick thing, but it makes me feel better to, you know, makes me feel like the soap is going to stick. Okay, we're going to start with blue this time on the top. Okay, let's go to pink. Oh, that flower's better now. Maybe. Okay, let's go to yellow. I really hope you guys are seeing me piping this correctly. And purple. At least I'm not getting my piping all over the counter like I did the first time I showed you guys how I made this. I got piping everywhere when I did that. Do I want... No, I don't think I want purple on the top. But I do need something right there. I kind of wish I would have made some white, but I didn't, so. Okay. Leaves. 1, 2, 3. There's a spot right in there that needs a leaf. And right there. Right down there. And there. Oh, that needs something more than a leaf down there. That's the thing with these is you just keep going and going, and they you get this like pattern in your head, at least I do when I'm making these, that I have a lot of fun with. I can't wait to do the summer one. The summer one's going to be a blast. Okay, here you go, guys. I am going to put glitter on these too, but I want to paint them with the mica first. So, okay, I will see you guys tomorrow to show you how everything's set up and whatnot. And yeah, so I'll see you then. Bye-bye. Hey guys, we're back with Marry Me. Let me get this off of here. Peel these off. Look at what we got. Hopefully I'm not casting too much shadow for you. Aren't they beautiful? All that yellow canary turned back from orange to yellow. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. I'm excited about these. And I'm excited to be able to do these. We're going to do them 4 times a year, but we are still keeping the normal Marry Me with the white, black, the 2 grays, and the crimson. So we're going to keep those hopefully as much as in stock as we possibly can. I need to buy a few more of these molds in order to do that. So, but the solstice ones, spring, summer, fall, and winter, they're going to be limited editions. So, all right, guys, I will see you next week. You guys have a great week. Bye-bye.